Hi everyone, this time I am going to teach you on how we are going to boost up our internet connection speed. First, let's go to speedtest.net. Click on that one. Then click go. So first we are going to test the internet speed that we have right now before we are going to do some steps. The download speed is 31.19 Mbps and the upload is 62.35. This time we're going to close this one, or maybe we can just minimize the browser. Up next is we are going to click on the start menu and go to control panel. Go to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Choose your adapter, right-click, Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Click on the Use the following DNS server address option. This time we are going to use the Google's DNS. It's 8888 and 8844. Click. So here are some of the other DNS to use. Up next is we are going to go to settings by clicking on the start menu. Click settings. This time we are going to go to this one, privacy. Under privacy, scroll down and look for background apps. These are the apps that are currently using your internet connection without your permission. So you can disable a couple of them. It's up to you guys which one you're going to disable. Anyway, it will not harm your computer. For me, since this is just a sample, I'm just going to disable a couple. Okay, so let me add up additional. I'm just going to turn this one off, a couple of them. Okay, that's it. Go back to home. This time, while we're in here, just click on Update and Security. Under Update and Security, click on Advanced Options, then Delivery Optimization. Be sure that this part right here is turned off. It will also eat up a couple of MBs in your internet connection. Go back. Next is we are going to type services.msc. Click on that one. Wait for it to load. We are going to look for Windows Update. So I'm just going to change the filter, scroll down, right click on Windows Update, Properties. Be sure that you are going to stop the updates as well as disable them. Apply and OK. You can turn that one later on if you really need to download certain updates. Okay, so we have just done 3 steps to speed up our internet connection. This time we are going to test if it really works. Let's pull out our browser again. Refresh the page. This time let's test it. The previous one is around 31 Mbps. Let us check if this is really working. Hopefully it will. So it's the download speed right now is 37.42 Mbps. How about the upload speed? And the upload speed is 69.31 Mbps. Well, that is a relevant and satisfying speed right there. Okay guys, I hope you have learned from that one. So if you have any requests and other topics that you have in mind, please feel free to message us. And of course, hit the subscribe and notification button for more updates. Okay, so bye for now.